This house had a strange problem. The best view faced the street, and the morning sun also the street. So the house had a dilemma: open up and lose privacy, close itself off and lose the best part of the plot. And this is where Casa da Mana becomes interesting. Created by Arquitetos in Brazil, the house is born from this exact tension, not from a spectacular shape, not from an oversized gesture, but from a very smart move, turning the front of the plot into an elevated garden square, a protected space between the street and private life. The Gabion wall is the key, but it is not just a wall to hide the house. It creates distance, it organizes the slope, and it lets the house face the morning sun without becoming fully exposed. Because of that, the arrival is no longer direct. The street does not immediately reveal the house. First, the Gabion wall, then the elevated garden, then the veranda. And only after that, the interior life appears. The cantilevered veranda is another important move. It lifts the house away from the ground and marks the edge between the built volume and the garden. It works as a passage, but also as a place to stay, a kind of elevated bench to look at the garden and follow the sunrise. Inside, the same intelligence continues. The house avoids too many fixed partitions. Instead of filling the plan with heavy walls, the cabinetry organizes the living room, the kitchen, and the bedrooms. The boundaries become lighter, and the house feels more continuous. That is the strength of Casa da Mana. It does not hide completely, but it does not surrender to the street either. It creates a middle ground, a distance, a garden, a threshold. In the end, this is a house about transition, between street and house, between garden and interior, between openness and privacy. It shows that privacy does not always need to come from a closed facade. Sometimes it comes from choreography, a Gabion wall, an elevated garden, a cantilevered veranda, and a house that turns the front of the plot from a problem into the place where the architecture begins.
Mm-hmm.